Yes, Baba.
Yes.
Ah,
There's a thing where we have to go and do
you lose some weight.
like,
Yeah.
never lose weight, you know, because too work so hard. You can't keep on the weight.
How's your knee?
Yeah, right, man. You mean I really give me no problem again at the first time.
Oh, you fix it.
Use the same thing the way we did that show you.
Yeah.
I keep rubbing it. But it's like how the winter go come now. The feeling now and again, but not like.
Be careful with this rope, but it's good.
Yeah, man, it's good.
Life of life.
Life is like. Marley, call me Tuesday night, you know. I tell you, say, Kevin coming down. And they say you're coming down, and he say he's down here already. Yes, he say he's down here already. So anyhow, if you call me, you say, yeah man, he tell me call me, but he say, I'm coming Sunday morning. So he say, okay. So he say, must, remember say, you want to bring something for him.
Uncle.
Uncle.
Yes, yeah.
Uncle want to bring something for him.
You give me a list.
So much you remind you when you come. But otherwise than that, you good. Don't worry.
Love the smell of the fire. Love it.
You ever smell of the fire?
Yeah, man. What would you burn?
That a sweet wood now.
Sweet wood.
Yes.
You normally not burn this.
Yeah, we burn.
Right, you burn all the time.
Yes, man. Right through the time. But the mixture is a mixture of wood you use in a fire.
So you leave it on all the time? Or where's your gas for your thing? You don't have a gas stove?
You know,
The gas run out?
No, man. Gas there, man.
Gas there on it?
Yeah, man.
It attached on it?
Yes,
When
man.
they're outside?
No,
Or the
man.
over there,
See the cylinder over there.
Oh, so gas good.
Yeah, man.
You have a pot too.
Yeah, man.
Oh, I left a pot. I'm left a pot on the grill. I'm going to buy one pot now.
Eh?
I'm going to make something for your car. Sip.
Eh?
No meat, no night. Rastaman teach me how to make it. I'm make it for you.
Sip.
Sip. And a soup.
And
a
a soup.
sip.
Just a sip.
I'm going to grate the coconut. Boil the peas on a different pot. I don't want it going to the bottom.
Yes.
Breadfruit, okra, callaloo, pumpkin, cocoa or cassava.
Cassava.
You see me? And then you put thyme and scallion and grate the coconut.
You hear about sip, you know?
A sip.
Yeah, man, you hear about
I
it?
make some man, I make it on it now.
Me hear the sip, man.
I'll make a sip for you.
Yes.
Look
Good
for
fire.
them with the back in the business, you know. You know how long the people of the world miss you.
I say what? Yeah, I tell you, man, it's a road the way I go through.
Hello everybody, guess what me there now? When you know me there, when I've been waiting. See the plant them there. See the coffee there. See the Rasta band there. See the yard there. See them there. I give thanks. I have to say a prayer before we start. You know, life change and everything happen. But this is the real coffee.
Yeah, man.
This is the real coffee. First thing I drink from Baba. Oh man, this is to die for. I'll go outside, go look on it. See it here, the real coffee. The real Jamaican coffee. Welcome back to Manchester, Norway. This is where everything happened. And to all the people. All people them that love the show that we do in Norway. So now, good life, Jamaica, good life. This is Baba home. You know. And right here, so. See it there. See the pig there. See the pig there. Pimento leaf. So then there. You're going tall. How tall he is now? 6 what?
I'm top grow, man.
Your top girl?
I'm 30 now, you know.
You're 30 now?
Yeah.
When was your birthday?
I don't remember September gone now, you know.
September what?
24, a day after Mama's birthday.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Why am I tell you? I'm sure that.
See you, man.
You stain it up there.
The banana stain.
Bush shots now.
Yeah.
Then see the flowers them there. Jamaica the life this man. We know say a long time. We know come at the place man, then you gotta roll out, you know. We're gonna call Patrick Keane and cook some food. Or cook some sip, you know what sip is?
Sip.
Sip. No meat. You know?
No meat.
No meat, oh yeah. So how you been? How things been with you? That's work?
That's a work. Yes, boring sometimes.
You know have the music?
Have the music, yes. But, you know, life, you know?
Yeah.
Life of Jamaica. Nothing to complain neither, you understand?
Yeah, big 30. Yeah, 30, no, my lad.
Yes, my lord.
Time for you get married, you know.
Married.
A girl can see this and them like you and call you, and I give them the number, you know. I give them the number.
Married?
Yes, man.
Oh, yeah?
Married, man.
That's that at all.
Kids and family and thing. You're the real farmer, you're Baba's son.
Yeah. Real farmers, pick them.
Are you pick them this?
Yes.
Make we go see them. Come go talk about them. Go talk about your pig them. I theme them. But me think say they have the pig them up so. And the up so you did have them. Me glad say you no pick up so you know. No man, no put them up there. Easy piggies. What you say man, are you one of them? How much you start out with? 2 of them? What them name? You name them? You don't name the 2 main one then? Them hungry?
The monkey. Have them, they belly can't full.
Easy no hug. Easy no. Easy no. Biggie wiggy. Them pretty man. So where you gonna feed them?
Goodbye feed man, and sometimes get grass.
Eh? Easy man, easy, them hungry. Alright, back home. Alright. No, easy. Easy. Oh no, easy man. Lord God, we don't go and butter it. Easy man. Alright, let's go get some feed for them. Eh? Give them some water now. Let's go get some water for them. Because they must say hot. Yeah, them are go on. That's why I don't want them upside now. You talk about them not make noise. A camera them see. Make go get some water. Oh. Them eat planting too? Everything. Eh? So then it went my machine there.
If you like
Baba said the machine done.
if the machine is done, then you use it. Yeah, what is the one man? Actually, what the machine say fine.
That's what me tell us, no use my machine, you know.
Simania.
Okay.
Now what is that?
We don't have pickaxe. I feel we pickaxe that.
The machine, the machine they are going to say machine is going to go
Okay.
let's have the machine man.
Okay, cause but we didn't want my machine. So what you gonna do? Okay, me go chop some cocoa. Baba, I go chop cocoa.
You know, no water, I don't see them. Just on grass.
Look on the coffee. Where, sir?
Still want fried 2 pieces of chicken in.
You want fried chicken?
Yeah.
Chicken. I try to stay off of the meat, you know.
Oh, so where you go eat?
Want callaloo. We don't have no callaloo around here. Cabbage.
We don't know if it is, but that we have to get it tomorrow.
Market.
But we have vegetable otherwise still.
What kind of vegetable you have?
Mixed vegetable.
We freeze in a freezer?
We buy it and put it in it.
So you want to buy the chicken? How much for the chicken?
No, we have chicken enough.
Have chicken?
Yeah, man.
Okay. Come here, try if it's... If you fry the chicken, just use plant. I don't want to eat the rice. I try to lose the belly. I still have the belly from...
No, I not dictate to you, but you can't eat fried chicken and plant, you know.
That's what I say.
You don't have to eat rice.
I don't want the rice.
Because we don't cook white rice.
Yeah.
We cook a little bit of brown rice.
Yeah.
So I didn't eat little rice.
Yeah.
And you eat plant and chicken.
Yeah, I don't want...
And juice.
But
we just want to know so we go look at some food.
Okay.
And if you eat the plant and the chicken, you eat some vegetable with it.
Yeah, man, give thanks. I don't want... I try to do
You
the
buy
thing.
the meat.
Yeah, man. Because, you know...
That's why you see me at the plant here putting us in.
Yeah, for me.
Oh,
thank you so much, man.
I'm give you some, because I give my man them some.
Mm-hmm.
But you never call all the while.
Me need to call back.
Yeah. You see, if you didn't call back, now you'd have more ripe one.
We go over the bush. Can plant more, more make some planting porridge, you know.
Lord, God, man. I plant over bush now we are doing. Go over there, go see.
Yeah?
You know. You go at the hills, we see what going over there.
Enough planting.
Enough planting over there.
What else over there?
Sorry, that beer now.
Sorrel beer now?
Yeah.
Is somebody can pick sorrel again?
Enough it yet.
Enough
It's a
it?
beer now.
What fruit there? What fruit there?
There's banana, we don't know fruit now and fruit time in November. Orange and tangerine. Tangerine beer no, but they don't start it yet.
But every time I come, nothing already.
No, because of this season you come.
First time ever come October, you know. A first time me ever come, man.
But anytime you come November. You see when you come November now?
Yeah.
November is orange and tangerine and soursop time.
Yeah, that's it.
Because the jar that out now when they start beer. See soursop them a beer they know.
So soursop in November too?
Yeah, November, December.
Lord, boy. So December me have to come back here, so?
Alright, look at now. See,
December, everything already?
see the jackfruit here. Yeah.
So everything already December?
Yeah, November, December. The jackfruit already for the last
Boy, I tell you.
next fruit come.
Every time I come,
Because all of them planning here we see a beer now, November, December, they are coming. Now this now coming till December, you know?
they're planting here.
Yeah. You see about the cake out plant?
That's why December Christmas.
Because Christmas, everything coming. All kind of, every kind of food coming to December. It no matter where man they have food are coming, pear are coming, red orange are coming, grapefruit are coming. That's why they call it Christmas, because everything coming. Yeah.
So me have to come back Christmas. Me have to come back. The forces are try to stop me, you know.
When you come Christmas, man, you get everything.
The forces really try to stop me, no, Baba.
But
You know, easy for me,
you
no.
get on the forces.
Me I try, no.
Well, I'm not Yeah, this is okay. Alright.
Pigs to blouse and skirt. Them eat anything. What time them go sleep? What time them go sleep? And they wake up in the morning. Baba, there's some rooster nigger, see. Lord God. At 2 o'clock in the morning, the rooster crow. And then 4 o'clock, him crow about 20 times. You have a rooster down here, sir. What time? So now I have sugar, I have to make some nice lemonade thing, you know. Yeah, with the chicken, man. We're gonna get some big lemonade, man. Yeah, man, so orange lemonade. Them have Callaloo market. But where Callaloo that near us are Mandeville. Christiana, me and Danny will go, man. So I call Patrick and me and Patrick will go hang out, you know. Yeah, man, a family thing this, you know. Yeah, man. Because what me and Patrick only want to do is this. We want to go up to the top there, 4 of us. And I want us to say a prayer, mark out the spot, take the pickaxe, and just kind of dig around. Yes. And if we do that spiritually, it will break all the energies in the universe.
Yes, man. So when Patrick will come down?
I call him today.
Call him today.
So once we do the breaking, it will give me the powers now.
Yes, man.
For go back.
Anything where you do, you have to have a gun break.
Yes. We get to rum, we'll cook a pot of soup, we'll get some goat.
Yes.
Banana, and we'll cook a big pot, and we want pops with it,
Yeah. Don't worry about it, man.
So we want ground break with the family only. And Mas Vincent.
Yeah.
And Mas Vincent will bless the ground and we break it.
Yes.
And then we move forward.
And then we move. Perhaps I go married now.
Eh? When?
In the November.
Me tell Baba say theme work. I help the people them in a foreign.
Could tipper sauce.
Tipper sauce.
That you put in. Rice and peas. Yeah.
Rice and peas. You go grate the coconut.
You have coconut milk.
You have coconut milk?
Yeah.
And the pack you use?
The pack milk. Because we don't have no coconut.
It's natural?
So they say natural.
So them say, we have to read it,
Yes,
you know.
man.
Yeah.
Marlin tell me say no natural.
Lord, man. Hey, you know, sir.
Marlin tell me say what? Anything where you see them put in a package.
So,
and tell us, yeah,
show me the package.
No, go sir.
Wait there. Come here to read it.
But in a Jamaica now,
Mm.
they say 100% coconut.
That's what them say.
No, but Marlin tell me say them say that.
I want to see it. Can me use it, you know?
You use it too?
Me use the pack coconut thing. Let me go read it.
They say
I forgot
100%
take
coconut.
picture and read it and zoom it.
Yes.
I know we stay there. It have to be natural. Let me say coconut milk. I will make it. Coconut powder.
Coconut powder. Jamaican made still, you know.
Yeah.
But Marlin tell me say I know they say Jamaican made 100% coconut in this.
I'm going to take a picture and zoom in on it because let me tell you something,
Right.
Baba. Me like the coconut thing, but I try to keep it natural, you know? Yeah, we get jelly and thing on the grill. And I grate on my coconut on the grill. But this pot thing here, when I'm making, I have to check it. Because, Bridget, we do on a natural thing in our life.
Blend up the coconut and put in that it couldn't work. So they put preservatives in it to keep it. Because that can be nice to market for the next year and it's still good same way. Preservative in it.
So this everybody I buy now.
Yes.
How much them pay for this coconut thing here?
$80 with it. In the supermarket you can get $60.
$60?
60 Jamaican dollar.
Yeah.
But if you buy it on a shop down, it's $80 for it.
Okay.
So if you go to the supermarket now, we buy like quarter dozen.
So one of this is one coconut?
No! One coconut can maybe make 4 or 5 packs of this. That's why they got this route. Because first time you get one coconut, but they realize now say one coconut can make 5-6 packs of this. Because remember they added other things to it, you know.
So you use
So
one of this per
amount.
dinner?
One of this can cook with dinner.
Can't.
Yeah, man.
Can.
One we do. Yeah, or 2. If you want, if it tastes high.
But when you make your dinner, you use one coconut. And one
Yes,
coconut you use.
one coconut.
So that means 4 of this, it takes
So you have to take 4 of this now for children at the
Where
pot.
I said to them?
Yes.
Huh.
But we don't bother throw 4 in there, we just throw
So
1.
one. And it give you
Yeah,
the
or
same
2 and it
taste.
still give the same taste.
Yeah. I go
But
check.
if you want to feel rich,
Yeah.
put 2 in it and it tastes nice.
Yes, yes.
Cause most time when I cook on a Sunday day.
So then if you use this, you have used salt or sodium in there. So.
Yeah, it's liquid tip of salt.
Yeah.
Just like where that's we put on this.
Liquid tip, you just use.
Liquid tip.
Okay.
Because you want your food to be fresh.
Okay.
Right. So you just
Because this sip where the Rasta man make it fresh, you know.
Oh.
Guess what my friend them go put pork. Porky put pork in the Rasta man sip. She put pork in it, didn't he?
But you know Rasta.
May I try? You see me? Me a Rasta, you know.
My Rasta in my
Me a
heart.
Rasta, you
My
know.
Rasta, you know.
Me a Rasta, you know.
Yeah, but me a
Rasta
chewing
hard.
Rasta.
You see me?
For Rasta, no matter about the hair,
Rasta.
it's a heart.
Me's a Rasta, you know. So me Rasta in training eating wise.
Yes.
Come on, lose the belly.
Food.
Yes.
So the Rasta man now show me if I make the sip. So me go make it for them with a little bit of salt. But it's too fresh. So we go eat to them. I'm trusty go put salt in it. And Porky get it right over the cat in the grill. Guess what Porky go put in it? Porky go put pork in the Rasta man them food. Me say Porky no. That is blasphemy. You can't put pork in the Rasta man food.
No, sir.
So, well, I'm gonna tell you, my friend, them set away. So you have the rice and peas.
Yeah, man, we have everything. Everything to make it dinner.
See there? So now, I want to grow the peas, I want to buy the peas.
We cook, this a piece that we are cooked today, we buy it. But we have natural peas we sell. Peas in the freezer in the house, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, man, we have peas that don't want to come in.
So Danny, what you been planting? Banana?
Production, yeah,
You plant yam. You wanna work 4 o'clock you get up. Now work tomorrow.
No rain in the forecast. They'll be the
So wait, when it rain and now work?
No, you can't work now.
Why not? Wanna get sick?
I'm not sick of it. You know,
The queen in England
Yeah.
said to the slaves,
Yeah.
any amount of sun but no rain.
no rain.
We are slaves to the British Empire.
No.
Every African that come from the continent of the Caribbean are slaves. And the queen say, any amount of sun. They can't walk in the sun, but if the lightning clap and the thunder roll, the guy say, come, let's go.
Come, let's go.
So why them never pray for more light?
Let's go.
Them should have pray for rain every day.
No, but if rain come every day, we don't have no money to collect.
Wait. We are slaves.
So we are slaves.
So we don't pray for rain and lightning, so we never go walk.
No, but the problem with it was, alright. Just like if we go to the farmer,
Yeah.
if rain keep falling every day, you can't come over nothing.
But when we were slaves, if we didn't want to work, we pray for rain.
No, but me still I go back to you. If rain keep falling, the slave are going to get hungry.
No man, master have to feed the slave because
No,
master
man.
don't want to feed slave for them.
Yes, but when am I going to feed you?
I mean-
Because you the same food that you produce, you feed you with it.
No, but you might get profit after your work.
No, but how the profit will come, the more production coming is, alright,
Here,
the more yam what we
We
plant.
work one day, pray for son one day, work one day, get food, and the next 2 weeks.
No,
stay at
every
your
day,
house.
when we that
The
farmer,
slave them never use their magical powers enough.
when we that farmer,
Mm-hmm.
as a slave, because when you go for America, slavery, you know.
Yeah.
So when you that Canada now, if the time sunny,
Yeah.
till 8 o'clock in the evening,
Mhm.
they make you at work. As long as the sun shine, you is at work. So if the sun shine till say 8:30, 8:45, they not take you off of the farm, you are still out there at work. But if you go at 7 o'clock a morning time and the rain black up, then take you off. Because the contract where you sign say any amount of sun but no rain. So the boss can't keep you out of field till the rain start drop. If the boss keep you out there till when the rain start dropping, in problem with the government of Jamaica. Because what they say rain sick in you. Because if you, alright, so for instance, the sun come like when they get up and say sun that 88 degrees or 90 degrees.
Yeah.
I know you heard this again. So imagine if the rain drop on your head, you catch a cold right away.
Okay.
And once you develop flu, you can't go to work. You must carry your doctor and didn't want that. So they ready to know, say, as this time black up like now, they say, come let's go guy and we watch the rain. So if the rain fall by say 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock, then can you back out to work. And you work till 9 o'clock overtime. Simple that. So how we adapt the principle now? It is better not to work in the rain. Because once you are working in the rain, you always get sick. So you always have flu, because rain and sun give cold and flu. So we don't work in the sun, we don't work in the rain, we work in the sun. So, and this sun, when the sun is hot out here now, you see, we got to work 5 o'clock a morning time. But this morning we wake up till 6 o'clock or after 6. Because we're the fall. When you call this morning, we just get up. Because rain fall last night.
A good thing we call, because we come here nothing there.
If you never call, you don't come here no food there. So it's a good thing you call, because when you wake up, you just wake up and say, I'm going to make breakfast. Because we don't got no bush. Because rain fall whole night last night. So we adapt the principles of the queen. The queen said the slaves must not wait. Because remember, you know, man, remember, say we never come here as investors, you know. We as Africans never come here as investors and money breakers, you know. What we come here as slaves. And slaves is to the empire, because England were built by slaves from India, Pakistan, France, all of German, all of these places. Because England is the monarchy for slavery, you know. So when England done build, France take the training, man. France and the Roman Empire pick up the same slave trade and start buy slave from Africa. So you come under the same slave trade too, you know. Because your mother and your father with your grandparents are slave, because we come here, we African, you know. That's why I don't worship the white man world. That's why I tell you all the way, I say, I'm never interested to come to America. Because the land of America belongs to the Indians, you know. America and Canada belongs to England and not to the white man, you know. Just like how Jamaica never belongs to the white man. Jamaican was Arawak Indian. Same type of Indian, but they call him the Arawaks Indian. But when the dirty thief in Christopher Columbus said him discover Jamaica, that's what we. Cause the Queen, the England Empire was so short of slavery that the Queen sent out man all over the world, said they go look island and inhabit them and can people come to work. So all of them big building where you got England go see. A slave building, you know? You know, cost them no money, you know? It cost them a look of food. And they beat and kill African. But you see, through the African people, we are so strong. They can't get me out. Still fighting to survive. And the strongest set of people in the world, the African. That's true. That's true, Denny. Because we're black. You know, with Jesus, the strong man, they can't, the white man can't, because the white man wonder how these Africans survive so, after we have done them so much. Because African people are well set of people. So, the thing we need to do now is to unite.